Hello friends, welcome to today's exciting cooking competition. Our contestants are Koca Ayağı
Hello.
and Olaf.
Hi dear.
Let's see what they will be cooking today.
I will be making roasted chicken with a fresh salad.
I am baking a lemon cake.
Koca Ayağı is using special spices to make the chicken extra delicious. He's getting the chicken ready and adding seasoning.
I am cracking eggs and mixing flour, sugar, milk, and plenty of lemon for my cake batter. Now mix it well.
Now let's put the chicken in the oven and rinse the fresh herbs for the salad.
Contestants, you have 30 minutes left.
Let's pour the batter into the cake pan and places it in the oven.
Let's finish preparing the salad.
Time's almost up. Please turn off your ovens and serve your dishes.
My cake smells amazing.
Let's bake out the chicken. Oh no. Did I leave it in too long?
Let's see how everything turned out. Roasted chicken. You have burnt this too much. I can't give you points for this. Now the salad. Oh dear, it's too salty. Time to try Olaf's cake. Hope it worked. It's very sour.
Did I add too much lemon?
Unfortunately, neither dish turned out quite right today. Great effort, contestants. Let's try again in the next competition. See you next time, friends. What's that strange noise? Do you hear it too? I think it's coming from the garden. Let's check. Oh wow, a spaceship. Hello, who are you?
Hi, I am Daddy, an astronaut. I travel through space exploring planets.
You must be hungry after such a long journey.
Yes, I am.
I will make food for Astronaut, Daddy. Ask his preference.
Thank you.
Take off your hood.
Let me think. I haven't eaten a hamburger lately.
I will make you a delicious cheeseburger with fries.
Okay, sounds great.
First, let's shape the burger bun. That's the bottom and that's the top. Now, the patty by using brown dough. What next?
Cheese.
That's right. I'll make the cheese from yellow clay. Next, we add cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. Burger is ready. Paddy, do you want regular fries or rich ones?
Both, please.
Great choice.
That smells delicious.
Daddy, here's your meal. Enjoy yourself.
It's delicious. Thank you, Sophia.
Glad you like. Anytime if you learn on art again, visit my place. I will make something delicious to eat again. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all.